Cold air touching my skin. Morning not ready yet. Footsteps under the leaves. Something I can't forget. The forest hums so low, like it knows my name. Every shadow moves slow, but nothing stays the same. Hold your breath, don't wake it. There's a line we shouldn't cross before the light breeze. I feel it watching me, soft in the silence, but never asleep. Before the light breeze, something calls from deep. Not quite a dream, not something to keep. Cello cries in the dark, echo through frozen ground, distant and pulling me to where I'm not found. Branches whisper in cold wind that feels too close. I'm not alone anymore, but I see no ghost. Don't turn back, just listen. It's already inside. Before the light breeze, I feel it under me. Roots in the silence, growing unseen. Before the light breeze, something waits in me. Half of the dark I couldn't leave. Morning will come, but not for me. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Soft ground, no trace, nothing out of place. Still I feel it move right behind my pace. I slow down to see, but the air stands still. Every step I take echoes somewhere else. No sound, no sign, but it keeps in time. Footsteps without sound, following me now. Closer than the wind, but never around. Footsteps without sound, lost but somehow found in the space between, where I can't turn around. Branches barely sway, but I feel them part, like something unseen is mapping out my heart. Breath against my neck, but there's no one there. Every silent step pulls me deeper in. Don't They're still here, down below. You already know. Cold beneath my feet, but I'm not standing still. Something threads through me, deeper than I will. I don't feel the ground, but I feel it grow. Every step I take is somewhere I don't know. It's not outside, it's underneath. Where the roots whisper, I hear my name soft in the silence, calling again. Where the roots whisper, I'm not the same. Something is moving inside my veins. No more distant sound, now it's in my chest. Every breath I take doesn't feel like mine. Branches in my mind stretching through the dark. Every thought I have echoes from the start. Don't pull away, it's already grown. Where the roots whisper, I can't pretend this isn't part of me under my skin. Where the roots whisper, there is no end, I'm not alone. Now I'm letting it in. Stay with it, grow with it. You are not separate. Where the roots whisper, I feel them climb slow in the silence, taking their time. Where the roots whisper, I cross the line. Was it the forest, or was it mine? I never left. It's lighter now, but not gone. Pale blue through the trees, breaking into me. Shadows start to fade, but they never leave. Air begins to move, soft against my skin, like the night is gone, but still underneath I can see the light, but it feels too slow. Pale blue between trees, calling me to stay, wrapped in something soft I can't turn away. Pale blue between trees, washing over me. Is it morning now, or a memory? ground still knows. Pale blue between trees, holding what I was, blending night and day into something lost. Pale blue between trees, pulling gently in. If I close my eyes, will it start again? Stay in between. Don't fully leave. This is the place you're meant to be. Pale blue between trees, now it feels like home. Not entirely safe, but I'm not alone. Pale blue between trees, something walks with me in the quiet light where I almost see. Don't go too far. Listen, it's still here. No wind in the trees, no sound in the air. Every little thing feels too aware. Light begins to rise, but nothing has changed. All the quiet space feels rearranged. It's not gone, it just doesn't move. The silence is not empty, it's holding something still. Between every heartbeat, something always will. The silence is not empty, it's closer than before. Not hiding in shadows, it doesn't need them anymore. Every step I take falls into the same soft and endless loop, calling out my name. Birds refuse to sing, leaves refuse to fall, like the world itself isn't there at all. Don't speak, don't make it real. The silence is not empty, it's breathing without sound, living in the spaces where nothing should be found. The silence is not empty, it's watching from closer than before. Not in the trees, not on the floor, right at my back, just out of sight. Breathing so slow, matching mine. If I turn around, will it disappear? Breath behind my shoulder, soft but way too near. Not a sound to follow, but I know it's here. Breath behind my shoulder, learning how I breathe. Every little moment taking part of me. Warm against the cold, but it's not the sun. Every step I take feels like we're both one. I don't feel alone, but I can't feel safe. Something's in between. Every move I make, don't look back, back, back. Don't break it now. Breath behind my shoulder, closer than my skin. Not outside my body, but it's pulling in. Breath behind my shoulder, never letting go. If I stop resisting, will it fully show? Stay still. Feel it. Don't fight. Let it. Breath behind my shoulder, now it feels like mine. Every breath I take is no longer just mine. Breath behind my shoulder, there's no space between. If I let it stay, what will I become? You already know. It found me first. Light across my eyes, but I didn't wake. Something in the air feels a step too late. Shadows fade away, but they linger still, like they've settled in somewhere I can't feel. I thought the night would end, but it never did. Morning finds me first, before I can move, before I can leave, before I undo. Morning finds me first, soft against my skin, but something inside doesn't let it in. Birds begin to sing, but it sounds unclear, like they're calling out from another year. Golden through the trees, touching everything, but it stops somehow right beneath my skin. I'm still here, but not the same. Morning finds me first, before I can change, before I can run, before I can name. Morning finds me first, wrapped in quiet light, but something remains from the deeper night. You can stay in the light, it Will it follow here? It already has. Everything is still. Two on silent leaves, holding morning light. Every drop reflects something just not right. Gentle in the air, soft and barely there, like the world forgot how to make a sound. It's too calm, too complete. Two on silent leaves, shining over me. Every fragile light hides what I can't see. Two on silent leaves, falling without sound. In this quiet space, something still surrounds. Steps I used to hear now have disappeared, but I feel them more somewhere very near. Breathing in the light feels too smooth, too clean, like the air itself knows what I have been. Nothing moves, but it remains. Two on silent leaves, resting in between every single thing and what could have been. Two on silent leaves, soft but never free. Every drop contains a trace of what I see. Don't disturb, don't let it fall, If it breaks, you'll hear it Two on silent leaves, now I understand. It was never gone, just beneath the land. Two on silent leaves, stillness pulling deep. If I stay too long, will I fall asleep? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I'm leaving now. Right. I step beyond the trees into open air. Morning all around, nothing feels unfair. Sunlight on my face, warmer than before. Every path ahead leads me somewhere more. Everything looks clear, so why do I feel it still? I walk, but something stays, not behind, but near. Carried in the quiet, I can almost hear. I walk, but something stays, hidden in my breath. Every step I take echoes something left. No more twisted roots, no more shadowed ground. Still inside my chest there's a subtle sound. Not a voice, not fear, but it feels the same. Like it knows my steps, like it knows my name. I don't turn around, I don't need to now. I walk, but something stays, blending into me. Not a separate shape, just a memory. I walk, but something stays, soft and undefined. Living in the space between thought and mind. You took it, or it took you. Does it matter now? I walk, but something stays. I don't try to fight and lose when I move in the morning light. I walk, but something stays, and I let it be. If it walks with me, what does that make me? It never left. It never left. It looks the same, but it isn't. Sunlight on the ground, falling through the leaves. Everything is bright, everything is clean. People passing by, shadows moving slow. All the world feels right, but I don't feel whole. I see it clearly, but not the way I used to. Sunlight through hollow eyes, shining from inside. Everything is there, but something's not alive. Sunlight through hollow eyes, soft and undefined. doesn't fully touch. It's not outside, it's the way I see. Sunlight through hollow eyes, nothing feels the same. All the shapes remain, but they've lost their name. Sunlight through hollow eyes, drifting out of place. Everything's real, but I've lost the space. You brought it back, or it stayed with you. There's no difference now. Sunlight through hollow eyes, now I understand. It was never gone, just beneath my hand. Sunlight through hollow eyes, I don't try to hide. If it isn't me, then I'll let it rise. This is how I see now. I remember, but I don't know what. Something in the air, familiar, undefined, like a fading trace left behind my mind. I don't see a shape, I don't hear a voice, but it lingers still like a quiet choice. If I try to speak it, it disappears. Echoes I can't name, drifting through my day. Not a sound I hear, but it doesn't fade. Echoes I can't name, living in between every thought I have and what it could mean. Light across the walls, soft and incomplete. Every little thing feels just out of reach. I can almost tell what it used to be, but the closer I get, the less I can see. It's not lost, just not mine to know. Echoes I can't name, floating in my chest. Not a fear, no pain, something in between. Echoes I can't name, shifting in my sleep. Every nothing left to fear. Everything is still, everything is clear. I can walk away, I can close my eyes, leave it all behind, leave it in the night. But something in me knows it never really ends. The forest still knows me, even in the light, even far away, even out of sight. The forest still knows me, calling soft and low. Not a place I left, just a place I know. Every breath I take feels a little deep, like the roots below are a part of me. I don't hear the trees, I don't see the shade. Still it lives somewhere in the steps I made. I don't need to go back, it's already here. The forest still knows me in the quiet air, not a distant thing, always somewhere there. The forest still knows me, not as what I was, but as something else, something it became. You were there, you are here. Nothing lost, nothing clear. The forest still knows me. Now I understand, it was never gone, just beneath the land. The forest still knows me, I don't need to see. If it lives in me, then it walks with me.